Hi everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. First off, let's get away from that light so you can see me better. Alright, today we're going to make cabbage rolls. Alright, here we go. Now I'll show you all the ingredients. Okay, you start off with about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 pound of ground sausage, a head of lettuce that's been blanched, so it'll be easy and palatable to be able to fold and roll. I'll show you how to do all that. Okay, there's about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 pound of ground sausage, a head of cabbage that's already been blanched to be ready to peel away, a cup of rice, salt, cayenne pepper, parsley flakes, a can of tomato sauce that's going to be split, and diced tomatoes, and about a tablespoon of sugar, and onions. Alright, so let's get this put together. Be right back. Okay, as you can see, I've already got the hamburger and the sausage in here. So I'm going to add the rice. Oh boy, I know, she's cooking raw rice again. The onions. The sugar. Teaspoon of parsley. I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons of parsley. I forgot I'm making a double batch here. A 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. There's 1. There's 2. Teaspoon of salt. And then it gets mixed together. But before I mix it together, this is what we got to do. Is we got to set up the pan. Now, so we get that all ready. First, put Pam in it. Hold on here. I'm getting what I need. If you notice, I got sliced cabbage. You layer the sliced cabbage on the bottom. Alright. Next, put some tomato sauce down at the bottom. There we go. That's all ready for the cabbage rolls. Alright, let me get my gloves and we'll mix this all together. Love the blue gloves. Here we go. And of course, this takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours at the most. And I think it's at 350, 375, somewhere around there. They say till the cabbage is translucent, but you know what, the cabbage cooks a lot quicker than this does, so I go just a little bit longer. I got to make sure this rice is really mixed in well, because I don't want clumps of rice that is going to be raw. I have one gentleman, the chief, he can't take cabbage. Kind of just hurts the system a little bit. So I have another little pan over there that I'm going to make like a mini meatloaf for him out of all this, because I know I'll have extra. Alright, I'll be right back. And I'm going to set up for how do I do the rolls. Okay, it seemed that my camera didn't record when I mixed this together. So basically I'm going to tell you what I did. I mixed the sausage, the hamburger meat, added the onions, put in 2 teaspoons of parsley, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, so sugar, and salt. And this salt was probably about a teaspoon. And of course the sugar was a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, something like that. Basically it's to taste. Now so mix it all together and get it ready. Now let's get this ready for the rolling. So be right back. Okay, I've already started in reference to the cabbage. I peeled away all the outer layers, as many as I needed. Now you got to take the main vein and you got to make a V. This helps with the rolling, because that hard part is kind of hard to maneuver. Now so get this all done. Now once you get those all done, then you can start rolling. So be right back. Okay. How I do it is this. I usually do it from the side, that way it bends over. So you take enough to fill it up. Pretty good. Oops. Bend it over. Bend it over. And roll. That's what it looks like. And you put it in the pan. Here we go, we'll do it again, in case y'all missed it. Alright. Fold in, fold in, fold in, and roll. Don't that look good already? So let me get this all done, and I'll show you what I'll do next. Okay, what we do now is we cover up the cabbage rolls with more tomato sauce. And then we add tomatoes. Now I want anybody to tell me, what did I do different than any other person? I'll let you all know in comments with your responses, okay? Because I know there's one spot of the recipe that a lot of people do differently than I do. So I want to see what everybody else did. And we'll see who's right. Okay? Well, right in the other way of doing this recipe. So, I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for approximately an hour and a half. Maybe 2, because these are quite large. So, and we'll take a look at it when it comes out of the oven. Alright. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera around on this one. Let's see how it looks now. Alright, 1 second. Ooh, a little hot. Oh yeah. That looks yummy. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe and also click on that notification bell, and so you can get all my videos. Blooper. So again, thank you all for watching. I just had a brain fart. Okay, we have those days, right? We all do, especially our age that shows that white stuff on top of the head. Alright, anyways, you all have a great, wonderful day, and keep watching my videos. Bye-bye now.